Our view is we can outperform over time. Our philosophy is by investing in companies providing solutions to water, energy, and agriculture, that our company should be able to outgrow the market over the coming decades. We really think of it in terms of long-term drivers. We call them the 5 indisputables, where the supply is fairly constrained, demand continues to grow, regulation and policy support drive individual market niches in terms of solutions, and ultimately that leads to more money being spent on infrastructure and more money being spent on technology. And as much as we focus on thematic investing within our space, we're stock pickers. We want to put in the portfolio the best risk-reward ideas. And the way we look at that really comes down to valuation and the potential upside to a probability-adjusted fair value. And so we look at the fair value calculation across every stock in our universe. We're interested in the end markets, the quality of the management team. We directly incorporate ESG directly into our valuations. And then we can look at the whole universe and look at what are our best ideas. What's the most upside to fair value? And that's the bottom-up perspective. From a top-down perspective, we're really looking at constructing a portfolio that optimizes the upside and manages the risks. We're looking at purity, liquidity, quality, volatility, and most importantly, diversity within our portfolios. We want as many shots on goal across food, energy, and water within the portfolio. Many investors invest in global natural resources to benefit from global growth, to benefit from addressing resource scarcity for inflation protection purposes, benefiting from the growing global middle class. So the way we would do it is through investing in companies providing solutions to get clean water, transitioning to a clean energy environment, and companies helping the food industry. KBI has been investing in sustainable natural resource strategies for a very long time. We have dedicated teams associated with investing in water, energy, and agribusiness. We are industry participants. Our companies know us. We go to the trade shows. We have very good access to management teams, industry contacts. I think that's a key portion of our success over time. We have our radar looking for new technologies, new competitors, and we really talk to everybody throughout the value chain to understand the dynamics of the individual markets. If you look at energy solutions as a strategy itself, we've been investing in that for nearly 20 years. There's been significant change. In the olden days, it was really about these fuel cells and wind farms and solar cells that were not that economic. They're a little bit more on the research project side. And we've seen a massive change over 20 years in terms of the economics of solar and wind. Our team has been there from the beginning, investing in those types of companies, watching them evolve, looking at what companies are going to be the net winners over time. There's not a lot of people investing in this space that have that type of history.